taga-barangay natin, Bayanihan. Choco Andas, Perles, Laguna.
Okay, maraming salamat sa inyo, girls. And of course, maraming salamat po sa Techno Marine Traffic, Richard of Henry Kalay Salon, Nasa Department Stores, Men's Accessories, Refill Clothing, Dr. Biggie Bello, Magna Optical, Vans, and of course, RRJ.
Yes. Well, tingnan natin kung nagustuhan kayo ng former
Yes,
NCT
yeah.
contender
Oba.
and performance ng second group.
Ganda-ganda itong anak ni.
Good morning.
Good morning, Mandang people!
Oh! Oba.
Anong sample nyo?
Oba.
Anak!